Perfect. You've given up again. Just what we need to hear. Do you know what that means? We can start properly this time for a change. You miss a day or you miss a session, and that missed session turns into 3 missed sessions, which is a full week, which then turns into a month session. And then before you know it, you're starting all over again. It feels good to restart because it's like it's a fresh beginning every single time. If you start from a continued point, it feels like failure because you look back at what you did before and you're like, oh, I can't do that anymore. Why can I not do that? I've been there myself. I say it all the time. It is something I try to get out of my own vocabulary. Why can I not do the same weight as I used to be able to do? Because I had to continue, because of an injury, because of something in life getting in the way that has knocked you back. What you need is continuation from where you were. And I'll tell you why. January is coming up. This gym will expect so many members to come through because it's a new year, new me cycle again. And that's just that same pattern, that stopping, that starting, that stopping, and that starting. Whereas if you continue, you may have to take a step back a little bit. You may not be able to do as many weights. You may not be able to run as far, but that's where you just alter your plan slightly in order to be able to do what you want to be able to do and progress to where you want to be able to progress. If you were doing 10K and you stopped and now you can only do 8K or 5K, that's fine. You just go back to that point. When I first started getting back into running a few years ago, I was terrible for stopping and starting myself. If I missed a week, I'd be like, oh, I'll just go back to the start. Otherwise, I'm never going to be able to keep up with the weeks. So if you restart, you're back down to like what? 1 minute running, 1 minute walking, 1 minute running, 1 minute walking for another couple of weeks. Whereas you may not be as far behind as you think you actually are. You don't need a new plan. You just need to continue. Look at where you are. Adjust one thing and then get back to it. That's how real progress actually works. Not perfect numbers, not a perfect system, not a perfect week, just continuing on. You're building something in your head that doesn't actually exist. You might actually be surprised where you left things are still in place and it's a lot better than what you previously expected. So rather than starting again and starting from zero, just see where you lie and then continue from there. The final thought is rather than thinking about pausing and then restarting, I just want you to get back on it and keep going. All you need to do is take one small step, get up from the couch, move, walk into the gym and move. Just move. That's it. Simple as that.